Okay, so if you are having trouble posting the infographic you made from Venngage, I don't know. Let me show you how to do that very quickly. And if this is not what you're using, but you're having trouble with it, let me know. And like with this one, it just takes a couple minutes, and I can figure it out, and then I can show you. So I made it this one. I just filled in some things, so I had a thing going there. This is about Venngage, right? Oh, and by the way, look at this. Why are the scales out of balance? They're empty. I don't. It seems like a very unfair system, is what I'm saying. Okay, enough with that. How do you post it? You go up here to Publish. You click Publish. It's going to ask you for a name. I've already put the name in, Venngage link on D2L. I'm going to hit the Publish button. Then right here it tells me what the link is. I'm going to right click on that and say copy link location. Then I'm going over here to D2L. You do it in the discussion board. I'm doing it here in right here in the announcements, because that's where, or the news feed, because that's where I'm going to put this for you. And I can do this, and look at that right there is the link that you would use to then go and see this. And it's really just that simple.